Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to this powerful module of reference response formula. I hope you have created that daily list of 20 connects which you're going to be attacking over the next 1 week or 10 days. I will give you what exactly you have to talk to them, what exactly you have to write to them to ensure that you get maximum responses out of it. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen because I want to walk you through a quick presentation. Okay, so see, I think for most of you who are reaching out to me that our references are not working. Mohit, you are saying that we should have a list so that we can attack 100 200 people in terms of references, but even the initial 5 6 contacts which we have tried approaching so far, they are not working. The typical answer is that yes, I have got your resume, I will share it within my network and I'll get back to you. See guys, it will not work this way. I tell you the reason. See, don't expect your network to prepare your biryani. Don't expect your network to work for you. Give them a ready meal, give them a ready tool so that they can consume if they have opportunities. If they don't have, then they don't mind sharing it, right? So you got to give them tools, you got to give them a ready-made meal for their own consumption and for them to share further. If you give them work, that I'm looking for a job, why don't you talk to these people and try figuring out if they have an opportunity or not. See guys, when you yourself have so far reached 5 or 6 of your references, how can you even expect your reference to work for you? Only very close people who are very close to you, they might forward your CV, they might forward your talks to somebody, but even then they will not know what exactly to be forwarded. So you have to give them a ready tool so that they just have to click forward and the job is done. So let me quickly tell you two critical things which you have to do if you want your reference network to be working. One is, you have to increase your reach. You have to make sure 20 contacts every day you are reaching out. Second thing is, talk wherever possible. I see a lot of people, they will send out a message to their network that I'm looking for a job and this is my resume, can you help me out, etc etc. It will not gonna work. First, talk wherever possible. Where it is extreme and you can't talk, you have to send message. We will talk about the kind of message you should send. But before you do anything, talk to your references. Tell them what you are going through, tell them what kind of help you require, and then send them a very customized message along with your video resume, and in some cases along with your traditional resume, which they just have to forward. They don't have to do anything apart from forwarding that. But key is, don't do this interaction over messages. Try to do maximum of these interactions over the phone, wherein you are actually talking to your connects. Okay, so first thing is that. Second thing is, you have to send them a very customized message. Don't let them use your imagination and creativity to promote you or to forward you, right? Give them a customized message which they just have to forward to other people, and you will see, very quickly, in couple of days, your video resume will be in hands of lot of people who might have opportunities for you. So I will give you a quick sample of such message. Again, you are free to tweak your message, be as creative, as crisp, and as specific in your language. I am just sharing with you a sample message that works wonders for me. Content, words, language, you can choose, you can further customize it, personalize it depending on to whom you are sending, but I am sharing with you a sample generic message. If this goes along with your video or your traditional resume, this can create a lot of momentum, guys. So this is the message that you should send. So let's quickly look at it. Hi Mohit. Mohit, here is a quick 2 minutes video resume of Mohit Suri. I know Mohit personally for last few years, and he has been a phenomenal professional while working with various organizations in strategic sales and marketing roles. Mohit is currently looking for a job change and is very keen to join a fast growing, challenging assignment. I am sure you can definitely help him by either considering or referring him for a suitable role within your organization. I would suggest if you could have a quick 5 minutes call with Mohit to better understand his profile. He can be reached at this, or please do share this message and video resume within your network in case you feel some of your connects would have a new or a better assignment for him. Thanks a lot for your support. So what you did over here, you have crafted a message for your reference which he just has to forward. It talks about that it has a 2 minutes resume. It talks a very critical thing that the person knows you for last few years. Then it talks a little bit about yourself. It gives a call to action, which is your mobile number or email, so that if somebody wants to reach you, they can reach you immediately. And it also gives a message that if you have an opportunity with you, excellent. If you don't have, share it within your network. So here guys, now your reference whom you have called and you said that I am looking for a job, why don't you help me, etc., etc., and tell him I will send you a quick message along with my 2 minutes resume. It would be really helpful if you just forward it within your group. You don't have to do anything, you just forward it. You don't even have to write anything. I have written everything for you. In case you want, you can fine tune the language, but I have written whatever, how we know each other. I've just written that and I have attached my video resume. This can create a lot of momentum, guys, I'm telling you. So here we end this module. And now once you have completed all the modules, all the assignments, I want to see you in the one-to-one coaching call. Please go into the comment box below and write how is your experience so far of the overall program. I really want to know it from you. Thank you so much for your time. See you in one-to-one coaching call.